Everybody, this is Dave, and today I got a 2023 RP-202 horse to check out. Look how cool these wheels are. Look, remind me of the Trans Am wheels from the 70s. Really awesome. So, gonna get a little fridge, and a grill goes in this. So pull out, and apparently grill sits in there. It's in the storage compartment right now. Spray port. Or you get that cool black door. You get a ladder, goes up on top. It's 4,800 pounds, 25 feet long. Just right. So let's go inside. So it does have a propane electric fridge. This does have a solar panel on top. Convection oven. 2-burner stovetop. Nice little view out the back window. Nice sink. Now the pop out is this little jackknife sofa. It's got little trays. It says a Coleman Mac 15K AC unit. Television. Little sound system, and you do get a nice fireplace. Middle bathroom. I like the way they do these wood look countertops. Do have storage, really nice storage, and some drawers. It does have an internal vac and does come with a hose. Inside the shower stall, very sharp. Nice closet there. Room here, so colors are super nice in this unit. Very nice. So we move up to the bedroom, through the bathroom. Nice sized bed. There is storage under the bed. Looks like we got some plug-ins down that way and all that. That front window will pop out, and you can put a screen. Screen pulls up, and you can enjoy fresh air. Put a nice sized TV in here. Put some more cargo right through there. So super nice looking unit. They make a lot of room with these pocket doors. Really super nice. Let's see what we have around here that I probably missed. I missed more storage. Look how much is in here. This is the RP-202 R-Pod. Got an awesome price on it. Esdale walls. Just super nice unit. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hit like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.